Welcome back to Battle Ready Retirement. If you're transitioning from military service to civilian life, you might be wondering about your financial future. Today, we're diving into the important topic of Thrift Savings Plan, TSP Rollovers, and why cashing in your policy may not be the best move. Let's get started. At Battle Ready Retirement, we specialize in helping military personnel navigate their financial transitions with confidence. Our services include retirement planning, TSP rollovers, tax-free income strategies, and more. We understand the unique challenges you face and are dedicated to providing personalized solutions that work for you. Understanding TSP rollovers. So, what exactly is a TSP rollover? When you leave the military, you have options regarding your TSP account. You can choose to leave your funds in place, roll them over into an IRA or another retirement account, or cash them out. But here's where it gets tricky. Why cashing out isn't a good idea. Cashing out your TSP can seem tempting, especially if you're facing immediate financial needs. However, this decision often comes with significant consequences. When you withdraw funds from your TSP before age 5912, you'll incur taxes and potentially hefty penalties. This could severely impact your long-term financial health. The benefits of rolling over your TSP. Instead of cashing out, consider rolling over your TSP into an IRA or another qualified retirement plan. This allows your money to continue growing tax deferred while giving you more control over your investments. Plus, it keeps those hard-earned savings working for you instead of being diminished by taxes and penalties. Our commitment to your financial future. At Battle Ready Retirement, we're here to guide you through these decisions. Our team will help assess your current financial situation and identify the best strategies for maximizing your retirement savings, whether it's through TSP rollovers or other investment options. And here's something important: we never charge for our services. We believe that you served our country with honor. Assisting you in your transition to civilian life should be an easy one. So why wait? Contact our expert team at Battle Ready Retirement today for a personalized consultation tailored just for you. Click the link in the description below or give us a call at your phone number. Let's work together to secure the prosperous future you deserve.